Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be playing short, creepy stories. So, in today's video, we are just going to be playing... why did I look so nasty? Anyways, so in today's video, it's just me today. So, we're not playing multiple player, we're playing single players. I don't know what I want to do. People say this was funny. Where is it at? I just saw it. They say, where is it at? I just saw it. They say this one's funny. Where is it at? This one. Right, Planet, because... I don't know. But we're going to play KRAMPUS. For those who you that know, that this was like for the Christmas update, but it's going to end soon. Like... it ends in January. Wait. It just ended. Why is it still here? I don't know. Maybe they forgot to take it off or something. But let's get started. Oh. Oh. Okay, so that's how he looks. The boy's voice. Oh, I didn't need it. One late winter night, you can't sleep. While your mother is fast asleep, you decide to move into the living room. You found a strange old book by the fireplace and decided to read it. Okay, where's the book?
It came upon a Christmas Eve not so long ago. A beast deformed in stature walked out from the snow. Its eyes were sharp and wild, jagged teeth like shards. It went from house to house, leaving footprints in the yards.
Okay, who the hell is the snow out there? It's hard. Why do I have a snowman in there? Great. Okay, do that.
Mom, are you sleeping? Okay.
Little boy, he's looking for you.
I'm scared.
Glancing into windows, warm with light and life, it was here to reconcile an old and bitter strife. It had a bag that screamed and cried as it dragged it on the ground. An awful thing, just an awful thing, to have to hear that sound. It threw its nose into the air and began to sniff and snort. The demon was onto something, but what? I can't report.
What the? That was not there. What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh. What is this food out from?
What is that? I'm scared.
In the bitter cold, you could smell its breath of rot and discontent. The chains that draped its frame made its spine look broke and bent. The wind, it howled in vain to warn the people of this beast. Its cries went unregarded as people sat before their feast.
Merry Christmas, everybody, round the Christmas tree.
Don't look back. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Little boy, he is looking for your city.
Looking for my city, then who is that? I know it's Krampus, but
Why you think
The demon ceased its searching when it came upon my house. I did my best to hide and stay as quiet as a mouse.
I walked back out into the shadows?
I walked back into the shadow,
of my
in the corner of my room, voiceless, breathless, terrified. What was that thing of gloom? I heard it leap onto the deck and dropped its sack upon the floor, a resounding thud, caked in mud. It wasn't crying anymore.
I hate no. It's getting closer. Ugh. That's this thing. What the? No. I know. It's the Bible. Mom? Mom, you need to wake up, bro. I need you to wake up. Oh, yeah, she doesn't. She's tired at the... Stuck in. Oh, mouse. I have. What the heck? Dude, stop looking at me, weirdo.
Little boy, he found your city and is now looking for your city.
Hello.
I left my room and crept down the stairs to see if it got in, hoping it wasn't that demon who they said would eat my skin. It stood before the fireplace. The front door was wide opened. I don't know how this thing got in, but I had nowhere left to hide.
Stop looking at me. Ooh, presents. How about the trigger? Look at it. Mama. Let's take his hat. I hate Dover. Okay, close the No! Shh. I'm gonna say it's bad if I open him, but I'm gonna have to. bro, where's my mom? Oh, she's definitely asleep. Like, what am I
supposed to do? Oh, hey.
A little boy.
He found
Found
your
your
street
street and is now looking for
No,
you.
no, I want you here. No.
It turned its face from the fire with a scowl you'd have to see. The demon had a quarrel, all right, and the quarrel was with me. It pulled out from its pocket of its robe, all blacked and charred, a burning piece of paper, and it handed me its card. The card read only Krampus, before I felt its claws upon my throat.
Stop looking at me.
I don't know what to do. What's that?
Mom, what's happened?
Why do I sound like that? I need to find something. Is this with this spoon? Oh, did you tell me? What time is it? I don't know what that says. Bear with me.
I bet you found my house, didn't he?
Little boy, he found your house and is now looking for the entrance.
No! Oh my God.
Now I'm in a bag with other kids, set for someplace remote. We were bad and didn't listen to our parents and their orders. We broke a lot of rules and disrespected borders. Now old Krampus has us, and he'll probably sell us off as food. This is what you get when you're whiny, mean, or rude. Now have a Merry Christmas, and do as you've been told, lest you wind up in a demon bag being dragged upon the road.
Little boy, he found.
No! Waking up from a bad dream, you were relieved to find yourself in your warm and cozy bed. It was still dark outside, but you already knew it was Christmas. You stood up and walked into the living room to turn on the light. Soft, multicolored light filled the room with a festive mood, and all your fears immediately disappeared. And just in case, you decided to burn a strange book, ending one. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video.